when I bought my vehicle. Pennies, 2 pennies. It was super quiet, now it makes this noise. That's the noise my car makes. For this Toyota if anybody knows or has an idea what it is,
516.
you can leave me a comment down below. Also, my receipt. My receipt. So my car's been making this noise, and I stopped at Starbucks, and they can't understand me because I have a scratchy throat. And try not to talk much, but then you gotta repeat yourself 2 or 3 times. And on top of that, my van's making this noise. So yeah, any comments down below, I greatly appreciate it.